This is the Babyliss Pro Foil FX2 limited edition shaver. It's known for delivering those clean, skin-tight finishes, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's unbox it and see if it's a game changer. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm David Falla, and my mission is simple: to help barbers like yourself level up your craft. Today, we are diving into the Babyliss Pro Foil FX2, the limited edition model that's turning heads. I have heard some big claims about the shaver, but I haven't used it long enough to give you a full breakdown. So today, we are getting my raw, unfiltered first impression of its build, design, and performance. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. And here is, right out of the box. This thing feels solid. It got some real weight to it, and all that metal build, premium, no doubt about it. Let's see what else is packing. These ultra thin foils are designed to give you a super close shave. The all metal body, smooth, sleek, and sturdy. It got some real weight to it, but I personally like it. I'm all for it. That extra weight makes it feel more stable in your hands, like a tool that is ready to do the job. And these new colorways, I gotta show you the colorways. We have the Nightfall, we have this gray one that kind of looks like the old school PlayStation. I love it. And then we also got this blue one that is also pretty nice as well. They also look very sleek and look great on the station. One thing though, this one, for example, is shiny, and if your shop it's light up like a Christmas tree, those reflections might get in the way. Just something to consider. Yesterday when I was using it, I had to angle it a little bit in a different way because it will hit, the ring light will hit the shine to it, just to keep in mind. But I personally love this one because it's matte finish, so it doesn't, I'm not gonna have that problem with it. So this is gonna be my favorite one right now. All right, let's give this a spin. The motor, powerful. The glide, smooth as butter. No snagging, no irritation, just clean, effortless cutting. That's a skin close finish right there. For a first run, I'm very impressed. All right, let's break it down. The build quality, top tier. Feels like it's built to last. Performance, cuts clean, cuts close, no complaints. Feel in the hand, solid, stable, premium. Plus, let's be real, it looks dope on the station. This one, even had a few clients ask about it. What is that new clipper that you have on your station? It was honestly, I had so many compliments yesterday. So far, this shaver is literally ticking all the boxes for me. So that's my unboxing and first impression of the new Babyliss Pro Foil FX2 limited edition. I'll keep testing it in the trenches and I'll let you know how it holds up with daily use. If you are thinking of picking one up, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Also, drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want a full in-depth review down the line, hit the like button and subscribe for more barber tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.